Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Close the camera and any background apps and remove the case or lens cover. These simple barriers often cause focus issues. Next, perform a quick restart. Power off, wait 10 seconds and power on because a fresh system clears temporary camera glitches. Once done, open camera and tap to focus on a high-contrast object. Make sure you hold steady. If autofocus still hunts, keep the phone steady and move slightly closer or farther so the lens can find a focal plane. Now dig deeper. Inspect the lens for fingerprints or dust and clean it gently with a microfiber cloth because even small smudges will confuse autofocus. Next, disable live photos and switch modes, photo, video, portrait, to see if one behaves differently. Sometimes mode-specific processing affects focus. Make sure iOS is updated, then test in a different camera app to rule out app bugs. Once done, try manual tap to focus and exposure lock to confirm the hardware can lock sharp focus. Finish with advanced steps. If focus still fails, reset all settings. This won't erase data but restores camera-related configs, so do it only after simpler steps. If that fails, back up and restore the iPhone. A clean restore can fix deep software corruption, and only then seek Apple diagnostics. One key troubleshooting tip: if focus jumps or makes noise, suspect a mechanical or OIS failure. Stop using the camera and get professional repair, because continued use can worsen internal damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.